Hi folks, my name's Ken.Quick. Welcome to Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to be taking you through this 2018 Newmar Baystar 3113. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. When you call in, just ask for Coach. That'll get you to me. If you have any questions about this coach or any other, please call me at 208-250-8625. Let's go inside and take a look around. As we move into the bedroom, king size bed, windows on both sides, window in the back. Big Sony TV, lots of storage, two big double closets, lots of drawers underneath. This is a Newmar, folks. This is a great coach. This is probably one of the best coaches on the road, best insulated coach, 6-inch ceiling, 3-inch walls, dual pane windows, 4-inch floor, built by the Amish and the Mennonites back in Indiana, Nampity, Indiana. Just an awesome coach. Really well appointed. You've got your privacy door here in the bedroom. As you move into the galley area, you've got storage here. And I do believe there's even storage here. It even goes back in. Lots of room to put things. Up here, nice refrigerator and freezer with an ice maker. Across the hall here, big rounded shower in the bathroom. These showers give you lots of room in there. Storage also here in the shower area. Room for towels. Nice vanity right here. Toilet right here and Corian countertops. As we move into the kitchen, because this has got a 6-inch ceiling, folks, it's all ducted in the ceiling, insulated ducting. This coach stays cooler in the summer, warmer in the winter. Big microwave convection oven. Got plenty of space in there. 3-burner stove. Really nice backsplash, Corian countertops. More storage here. Great sinks. All stainless steel. Moving into the living area. Eye-level TV across from the couch. Lots of storage underneath, lots of drawers. This table here can be in as far as this far, and it extends out when you have company all the way out here. 2 more chairs underneath the bed. Gives you seating capacity for 4 people. Just that easy. Across from that, you've got a nice couch that converts into a bed real quick and easy. Nice windows in here. Moving up into the cockpit. Very nice flex steel chairs. Auto leveling, side cameras, backup camera. All the bells and whistles. Over on this side, on the passenger side, very nice little desk for your co-pilot. Right there, just like that. Newmar does an awesome job. Very well insulated dog box here to keep the sound down. All your controls right here above the door. You'll notice up here there's a cap on the awning, push button awning, of course. These are alloy wheels. Bigger wheels and tires, solid aluminum, rides better. Outdoor TV, plenty of storage underneath. More storage here. Here's a water tank, but they still give you a little more room for things. You can see the size of these tires. All the sensors on the tanks are on the outside, so you get a true reading. Onan 100 generator, plenty of power in this coach. This is a full body paint coach, Triton V10 motor. Look at all the storage underneath, goes all the way across. As we move around the back of the coach, you see it's equipped with a ladder, backup camera, receiver, all wired up, ready to go. This is a 50 amp coach. Got lights in all the compartments. Here's your clean out bay, water filter, sewage tank rinse, outdoor shower. Moving on along here, you're going to have more storage all the way across here. Here's your propane tank. You can see the size of that. Nice propane tank. Moving forward, here's your side cameras. Anytime I sell a Newmar, folks, I feel great because it is a quality coach. Please give me a call if you have any questions about this Baystar or any other coach that we have here at Guaranty RV. Remember, ask for the teacher and coach. I'm Ken.Quick, 208-250-8625. Thanks for spending a little time with me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.